thank this brand for sending this backpack to me. This is unlike any backpack I've ever seen before. It's more like a suitcase that you can wear on your back. This thing is amazing. My husband loves it, but what I love about it is even though it's big, I'm only 4'11", I'm very short, he's 6 foot tall. We both could use this because it's really easy to adjust. Tons of different pockets and features. I love how much you can get in here, but there's, so one here, one inside here. A big space, and inside of this one you've got zippers and pockets. You've got a charging cord. Then you have another big space with lots of netting to hold things in place. On the back of it, you've got a spot for your laptop. My favorite thing is it's got the hidden zipper on the back. So this is where you could put your wallet, money, passport, things like that. That is up against your back, so it's not like anybody can pickpocket you that way because it's against your back. It's also expandable, so it just zips over itself, so you can expand it if you need more room. And then it has another side zipper here. Makes it really easy to get into, just so many different areas. It's very comfortable to carry. It has a handle here, so it's easy to grab. And then let me show you it on. It's got a couple of other great safety features because if you want to lock it in place, you certainly can. That way it's on you as well. And then on the sides here, you can tighten this up. If you wanted to snap it here, you can. That way nobody's just gonna rip it off of you. Like I said, this is a big one. This is, I mean, I could easily take this as an overnight bag. You could take it hiking, camping, anything like that. But just when you need your hands and you wanna have everything on your back, this thing is awesome. My husband loves it.